Hey there tech lovers and gadget geeks! Welcome back to the channel where we make unboxing look as exciting as opening a treasure chest filled with chocolate. Today we've got something that's pocket sized but packs a punch. The DJI OSMO Pocket 3. Let's dive into this box of joy. So of course the first challenge is removing the tape at the very top. Can you see it? So for those in a hurry, let me just tell you what's in the box. There's the OSMO Pocket 3, protective cover, DJI Mic 2 transmitter, handle with 1/4 inch thread, battery handle, mini tripod, Type-C cable, carrying bag, DJI Mic 2 clip magnet, DJI Mic 2 windscreen, wide angle lens, and a wrist strap. Alright, let's see what's inside. So we're gonna open the box. We got this anti-moisture packet here. Okay, this looks like the carrying case. Nicely wrapped. We have the instruction manual for the creator combo. This is all in foreign language, but we'll just say that's the manual. What else? We have a card to download the app, a sticker, okay, let's see what kind of stickers we have. Oh, okay, it says DJI. Okay, and then this looks like a memory card sticker design. The DJI logo. And another DJI sticker. Oh, this is a quick start guide. Yeah, it shows you how to how to operate the DJI. And here we have the cover. Yeah, the protective cover, which has a spot for the wide angle lens and a Black Pro Mist filter. But I think you buy the Black Pro Mist filter separately. Okay, so I guess everything's in this carrying case, so we'll just open this up. Sorry, I have a cold. Alright, so this is just a tag. And inside the carrying case is cool. So you have the OSMO Pocket here. Has a protective film here. And what else? Oh, the cover for the mic. Yeah, the wind cover. Wrist strap for the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. What else? We have, I guess, a handle. Yeah, you can charge it with here through USB-C. Here's the thread. This is another handle. It's much shorter. Oh, here's a tripod. Here's the mic with the clip. USB-C charging cable. Yeah, both ends are USB-C. And let's see what else is here. Okay, it looks like there's two little things here. So let's check them out. Oh, so I think this is the magnet for the mic. And this is, I think, the wide angle lens that you put on the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. Yep. So that's pretty much it. The DJI OSMO Pocket 3. Oh, real quick, I just wanted to show how everything comes together. Just for the base. So the DJI can charge through the USB port here. So you can connect, you can connect it like this. And you have a portable battery bank. And just to clarify, I think these are both handles. So this is a battery handle. This is a battery handle, and this is a handle as well. It looks like they both carry a charge because they both have USB ports. But I think the larger handle has, you know, more juice.